A man may travel the world in search of what he need, yet always returns to the place called home. Home, not just bricks, not just beams, but the starting place of love, of hope, of dreams. Real estate cannot be lost. It cannot be stolen. It cannot be carried away. Purchased with care, held with patience, it remains the safest ground we stand upon. Have you ever wondered how these homes last for decades? How they breathe beauty into their walls, whisper warmth into their streets, and carry memory after memory? Because real estate is not a sprint. It is a waiting game. You don't wait to buy real estate. You buy real estate and wait. For the best investment on earth is earth itself. This home was once a dream. The first family who stepped inside filled these halls with laughter, with love, with life. But time has made it weary, and now it longs for care. We arrive not only as investors, but as healers. Like doctors to a patient, we mend its wounds, we endure its mess, we revive its soul. For a house is built of bricks and beams, but a home is always made of hopes and dreams. Real estate is not just money, it is futures, it is families, it is stories yet to be written. Land is tomorrow's promise, and home will forever be the place where love, hope, and dreams begin.